Alright, so you want to build a teardrop camper or a micro camper or a square drop, and you got an ultra tow kit, trailer kit, and you're trying to figure out how to put it together because, well, the people in China build really good little trailers, but their instructions are just difficult to follow, so you have to revert back on your puzzle putting together ability. Now, I like the Ironton, which had rounded fenders. That's got flat, which is fine to give you something to set your beverage on. As far as the instructions, nah, you're just gonna have to figure that out on your own. So you'll have a piece. This is gonna be like your rear piece here. One hole at the back. You gotta make sure you got the two holes, so your brace, which goes in between the two long pieces, fits right in there to bolt together. And then this one with the square goes here where there'll be a seam. I don't like the fact that it's got a seam, but it does. It is what it is. And two holes here and two holes there. So here's another odd piece. So this has square hole there, round hole there, a couple of miscellaneous holes here. So when you put this on, you match up that hole right there. This isn't straight, but match up that hole. And of course, when you do, that hole down there will be matched up. Match up the square one and the square rectangle one up here. You'll put another one of those. This is a 5-foot piece right here. You're gonna put another 5-foot piece four-foot piece. I'm sorry, 4-foot piece. Now, I've been laying stuff out because I thought I had it figured out. Now I was ready to go, but I didn't have it figured out. You'll put in two middle pieces right here, and you bolt those together, and then you'll bolt here, and then this piece will go on there, and from there you should be able to figure it out. Put another brace in there, another brace there, and then another brace here, another brace here, and then your two 4-foot pieces, that one and that one. Make your length of 8 feet like here. Hope I'm not having too erratic of a camera movement. And just fill in with your other 4 pieces, one here, and then add that piece to that side. And then add on your springs. They go right in here. It's pretty much self-explanatory. And then from there you should be able to get it, but I'll make some more videos as I go along. And this is going to be a nice series camper build video.